Hello everyone, today we are back with another exciting event, that is a quiz. So where we would be going from topics from small atom to as big as our universe. Basically we will covering all the topics and let's see how much exciting and how much knowledge do you all have in this field. So our first question is, which rocket was used in first successful mission to moon? Your options are on the screen: Apollo 11, Saturn V, Saturn VSA 505, or Saturn IB.
4, 3,
Yeah, it's option
2,
two.
1.
Saturn V.
Yeah. So the correct option is Saturn V. The second question is, what is the
5,
name of the
4,
Earth's second moon?
3,
Which is now
2,
a most trending topic.
1.
I'll go with option 4, I guess. I remember the year 2024, 5 or 6, so I'll just go on with 3 to 6.
So I will just guess and I will go with option 2.
Correct option is 2024 PT5. Till what time will it be remaining in Earth's gravitational field? The options are
5,
these.
4, 3,
I go
2,
with option 1.
1.
Go with
Yeah,
option
option
1 only, or 29th September to 31st November, almost around like 2 months. Next question is, arrange the following in chronological order. So the 4 options are
5,
this.
4, 3,
Yeah, the most
2,
trending one now is
1.
Gaganyaan. We will launch it in few months. And Bharatiya Antariksha Hackathon, it will be launched in 2028.
Yeah.
And Chandrayaan 4, I have no option. I have no. I've heard of this
I have
option 4
heard.
somewhere, but I'm not really sure about what is it actually.
I think 2, 3, 1, and 4 would be my option. Would be my choice.
Okay. So first is, as Vivek and Sneha told, Bharatiya Antarikshyan in 2028. Then comes Chandrayaan 4. And Gaganyaan is in this year only. So it is the next after Gaganyaan. And option, which is Chandrayaan 3, which is already been launched. So it would be the last one. So the next question would be, which
5,
planet is also
4,
called as the diamond planet?
3, 2,
I have seen
1.
this one in shorts. Actually, it rains diamond on these planets. Confused with what shall I choose in option 2 and 3. So I'll just go with option 2.
Guess and option 2. I think option
Option
2.
2. So the correct option is not 2, but 355, Cancer E. Moving to next question, which is find the odd one out.
5,
So these are
4,
the 4 names. I hope
3,
you all have heard about
2,
it.
1.
Yeah, I have heard about
No.
this. The first 3 options are they are the captain and they are working in Air Force. And option 4 is the odd one out. These will be the one who will board Gaganyaan and will represent our country.
Of course, the odd one out is Vikas Singh. Identify the person in the image. So this person, who is he?
It's getting too tough now.
It's not like a quiz. They have the option of warning a friend or 50-50 chances. I mean, the intensity is getting real tough. I can feel it in the air. The
5,
pressure is developing.
4, 3, 2,
He's
I can see the person's name actually here on
yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, Dennis said
Keen
Tito.
observer.
Now I observed it. I think it's his name actually.
Yeah.
Dennis A-T-I-T-O.
Dennis Tito. Moving on to next question. That is, what is the name of the first private launch and by which startup? So when I say this question, it's about India only.
3,
Yeah.
2,
It is Skyrim.
1.
Skyro. Next question. Create a question using the answer given. So I hope the question itself is clear. You have to create a question using the answer which I will provide. That is SpaceX Polaris draft.
5,
So you have to
4,
create a question for
3,
which it is famous for.
2, 1.
Sure, what is it?
Well, the same thing with me too. I have heard about it very recently, but I'm not able to recognize.
This is the name of that crew which is going to do that. So SpaceX Polaris draft is a mission. They actually performed the first private spacewalk in space. You can actually view it, and it's really incredible to see. If you find time, do check it out. The next is name a
Yeah.
5,
particle which
4,
can travel faster than the
3,
speed of light.
2, 1.
Tachyons.
I guess nothing can travel faster than speed of light.
These three options are
Yeah,
quite confusing, but in hypothetical situation, typhoons are the one, as Vivek said. But of course, if we won't take hypothetical, then it's nothing can travel faster than speed of light. Moving on to the next question, that is, what is the unit of measurement used to measure the expansion of the
3,
universe?
2, 1.
the
Hubble
Hubble
constant.
constant, I think. Hubble
Yeah.
constant.
Okay, so the correct option is, of course, the Hubble constant. It is used to measure actually, Hubble was the only one who said that our universe is expanding. So that's why the unit is named after him. Hmm. Next question is, what is the full
5,
form of navigation?
4, 3,
Yeah, I know this one.
2,
It's navigation with
1.
Indian constellation. It is option 2. And option 3 is IRNSS, Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. I've heard of it. There is also a course going on. ISRO is conducting outreach program. It is about the overview of global navigation satellite system. It's a
Yes,
very
yes.
nice one. Yeah.
Vivek,
Well, I know about what NAVIC is, but I'm not sure about the full form and all the other things that Neha mentioned.
so next question is, choose the wrong one in the option. So which is
5,
the wrong one?
4, 3,
I think it's
2,
2. And
1.
about the third option, the first Indian satellite is Aryabhatta.
Aryabhatta.
I
Okay.
guess it is.
Yeah.
I guess it is.
I'm,
Yeah, it's right.
I'm,
I'll go with option 2.
I'm sure about option 1 and 3, but I'm not sure about 2 and 4. So let me guess again, option 4.
Option 4. So the correct option is first spacewalk. And it was done by Lenovo. And the year should be 1965 instead of 1955. So the correct option is second. Moving to next question, which of these are the first? So by which I mean they did either the first walk or they went to the space for the first time, like that. So what should be the options?
5, 4,
Option 1
3,
is Yuri Gagarin, the
2,
first man in space,
1.
and Valentina
Yeah,
Tereshkova.
Okay.
we all
She is the
uh,
first on this.
we all know about Yuri Gagarin, and the previous question itself, you mentioned the name of Alexei Leonov
Yeah,
to
yeah.
do the
Yeah.
first spacewalk, and
Okay.
I'm not sure about the other names on the slide.
Okay. So Yuri Gagarin,
Yeah,
Alexei Nilovov,
Alexei
Valentina Tereshkova are
Tereshkova.
three. So
Okay.
correct options are 1, 2, and 6. So Big
Honestly, never
Bang.
ever heard about those names.
Yeah.
I
Indeed.
mean, they're somewhat really hard to spell also.
Yeah, that's why I just used fourth option. Big Bang theory deals with which kind of model? Cosmic model,
Uh,
5,
relativistic cosmic
4,
model, or the other two?
3, 2,
I think
1.
spontaneous because
but I would go with spontaneous also. So I would go with option 3, spontaneous.
So actually the correct option is cosmological model.
Related to the history, like uh, from the very past, we were believers of two types of models, like heliocentric or
Yeah, yes,
eccentric,
yes.
like that,
yeah,
and
Hmm.
yeah.
from that we evolved. So
Yeah,
this may be a reason.
that's great. That's great explanation actually. Okay.
5,
What is the value of
4,
Earth's albedo?
3, 2, 1.
You know
I don't
albedo,
even
right?
know what an albedo is.
We don't know what is
So
it.
albedo
So
is
we'll be learning
basically,
a lot of knowledge in this session. Actually, we have come across many questions which we have not even heard of, like some words we have not even heard of.
Yeah, I will try to remember the name of second and third person also from the next time.
you should not forget second, third also. Always we should not remember the first one. Everyone did hard work and went to space. So,
Yes, my apologies.
albedo is basically the amount of light which is reflected from any of the body in the space. So, suppose probably Earth absorbs some of the light which is falling on it by the sun, and some of it it's reflected back. So, it's actually very comparatively less. So, most of the energy is absorbed by the Earth instead of like reflecting back into the space. So, I hope it is it clear what is albedo?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
very soon.
the correct option is 0.39. Is what is when is the International Day of Human Space Flight observed? Before
No, I'm not
answering
good
this
with
question,
dates.
tell me why would it be like observed on that day? That you can guess, right?
Maybe
5,
we
4,
did a
3,
achievement.
2,
Like,
1.
regarding humans, it might be because the International Day of Human Space Flight, right?
Uh,
Maybe
might be the first day when humans started to explore space or first
might be
spacewalk or
even entering the
Hmm.
space.
yeah.
It might be that also.
Okay, so both of you are correct. It is observed because of Yuri Gagarin entering to space for the first time, and it is celebrated on April 12th. So on that day, he went to space, and he became the first person to go to space. To the next question, which is who discovered the cosmic microwave background
5,
radiation?
4, 3, 2,
Yeah,
1.
it's option three, Robert Wilson and Arno Pennies.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, indeed. Vivek is correct. Robert Wilson and Andrew Penzi is the one who discovered the cosmic microwave background radiation. So we'll move on to the next question then. What is the main body of aeroplanes called?
5,
Only heard
4,
of rudder,
3,
so I'll just go
2,
option.
It's
1.
related to flight, flight engineering, flight mechanics.
Yeah, aerospace and aeronautics.
Yeah, aerodynamics.
About planes.
Okay. Next time when you sit in aeroplane, right? Remember that it's fuselage, which is the main body. When you remove all the wings and rudders, you will get it. The actual main body of aeroplane is known as fuselage. So remember that next time when you go to flight.
The captain will forgive us for not knowing the name.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, sure.
Actually, I am interested in space science as well as in this flight mechanics. So I love to learn about it. That's why I put this question to check whether you guys know about it or not. So the last question, but not the least, we'll have more quiz like this. Which of the following is not the space center in India?
5, 4, 3,
I guess I'll go
2,
with option 2 because
1.
that's what the one because it has Western it. I think it is. SDSC is in Andhra Pradesh and IIRS Dehradun, Uttarakhand. VSSC, I think Kerala. Oh,
So what about you, Vivek?
Yeah,
Which one?
I'm also sure about one, three, and four, but I'm a little bit confused on second option, so I would just choose second one.
Okay, so both of you have chosen second option. But if you search on Google, according to Google, Western RRSC is also one of the ISRO Center for Space, ISRO Space Center. So in this all four option, we don't have even one correct option for this question. I kept it because of that. Okay. So, Western RRSC is basically in Jodhpur. So with this, the last question doesn't have a right option. By guess or approximation, could you guys tell how much would you have scored in this quiz?
I guess around
Well,
10 out of 20.
I'm pretty
That's
much
it.
sure I'm not. Well, I'm pretty much sure that I've not scored a negative number. Doesn't matter if it's positive.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
have learned a lot actually. Yeah.
So if I did this quiz, I would be scoring less than 10. But
I'm also
actually, I
not sure if
prepared
I
it.
would
So,
score 10.
okay. So that's what is today's quiz. We covered everything about the current things, and we'll be covering more on coming quizzes and much more things like that. We'll do debates and all, and we'll do role play also.